Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Outlook environment and permissions so reminders can appear. Once done, open Calendar or Tasks and create the item you need to remember. Choose a specific date and time, then set the reminder interval, 5, 15, 30 minutes or custom, because selecting the right lead time prevents missed actions. Make sure notifications are allowed in Windows or your device settings so the alert actually displays. Now save the item and watch the reminder field confirm your choice. Next, refine how reminders behave so they fit your workflow. If you need repetition, set a recurrence pattern and an end date to avoid endless alerts. For emails, flag the message or build a quick step so it becomes a task with a reminder. Rules can auto-apply categories and reminders for specific senders. If you want fewer interruptions, customize snooze durations or switch all-day items to a specific time so reminders trigger reliably. These settings control timing and reduce clutter. To finish, sync your mailbox and calendar so reminders propagate to every device you use. Make sure mobile Outlook has permission for alerts and background refresh. Create a quick test reminder to confirm the pop-up, sound, and snooze work as expected. If a reminder fails, check Focus Assist, notification settings, and Do Not Disturb on all devices. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset notification preferences or recreate your Outlook profile. That often resolves persistent sync or alert failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.